Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So a bit of a run deal if you have a sweet tooth and love like Oreo ice cream bars or the Oreo ice cream for 83 cents each. Oh my god. And then we have 49-cent Dollar Shave Club, and there's no booster or weird stuff. It's just coupons, and then the other Oreo is with rebate apps. Super easy, straightforward deals. Like, oh my gosh. This specific video, I don't have a big basket because this one this week is to do with Cyber Monday, so it has to be online only. Look for my video tomorrow where we're going to be talking about curbside and how to utilize this booster best. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me. Just like this video, take a quick second, and if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing today to save even more money over at Walgreens. So the Dollar Shave Club has select items on clearance at some Walgreens. It's always a year mileage may vary with clearance, but definitely be on the lookout for this. $4.99 for this really cool pack of razors that's usually just under $10. I'm going to load this digital coupon, which is a $4.50 off. So if you just line this up perfectly, guys, one of those razors at $4.99, subtracting your digital coupon, you're paying 49 cents. Hi, this is a terrific deal, and I know the promotion is to spend 10, get back a $3 register reward, but to get something cheap for a stocking or a Christmas gift, I mean, 49 cents is where it's at. And definitely clearance is always a year mileage may vary, but if you are at a Walgreens, definitely be on the lookout for this because 49 cents is a terrific price point. Okay, so let's talk about Oreo. We have Oreo bars, Oreo cones, and then these little pints of the ice cream. So whatever your store may have, we're going to look at two different promotions using two different rebate apps. Okay, so the first is either the cones or the bars. They are priced at 2 for $9. Now I know Drumstick, there was a promotion for this that everybody was talking about on the weekend or earlier in the weekend over on Instagram, but that rebate has since vanished. So I think this one might go quickly as well because there's a lot of Walgreens shoppers. Okay, so what we're gonna do is grab 3 of these products priced at 2 for $9. Now, this is where you really have to pay attention. Open up your IBOTTA app and ensure that this guy is loaded and it is ready to rock and roll. Along with Shopkick is giving back 375 kicks that you can do up to 3 times. So isn't that nice as well? So 3 of those cones is going to be $13.50. The third one will ring up half price of $9. $6.50 back from IBOTTA. There's a little 50-cent bonus when you buy 3 of these ice cream bars. And then 1,125 points back from Shopkick, which is $4.50. The final price point is $2.50 for the 3 boxes or 83 cents each. Yes, please, and thank you so much. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Run, don't walk to the store to do this deal. The second deal that we're going to look at is with the Oreo ice cream. They are 2 for $6, and I know not everybody is about ice cream bars, so if you're more of an ice cream girl or guy, this is the deal for you. IBOTTA's giving back $2 for each, so that's 6 plus the 50-cent bonus. So grabbing 3 of those ice creams, it's going to be $9. The third one's going to ring up for $3. You're going to make a submission to IBOTTA for $6.50 back, $6 plus the 50-cent bonus, shaking this out to $2.50 for the 3 or 83 cents per container. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay. I think this rebate is going to go very quickly. So I would go and do this if this is something you want to stock your freezer with. Go and make it happen. And look for that Dollar Shave Club razor too. So my Rimmel rebates with IBOTTA reset, so I went and looked for even more Rimmel on clearance. However, it's ringing up buy one, get one 50% off, so I should have been doing the math a little differently, but I didn't, so I mean, it's on me, but it was still free. I got 1 concealer, 1 lip gloss, and 1 mascara. I had the following digitals loaded, which was a $2 off on each. However, one product rang up 50% off. So my $2 for the concealer didn't come off for me. IBOTTA's also giving back $2 for each. That's $6 back. And I had to verify, meaning I had to scan the barcodes into the app to say, hey, I actually bought these products. So just in case you're wondering, like, it's not showing up for me. That top thing, you just have to tap it and verify by scanning the barcodes of each product. Okay, so the math for this really quickly: a Rimmel mascara on clearance for $3.99, a concealer for $1.49, and a lip gloss for $2.79 for a total of $8.27. Subtracting $2 digitals. So paying $4.27, I rolled $4 in Walgreens cash and got $6 back from IBOTTA. Not considering that Walgreens cash, it's a freebie plus a $1.73 money maker. Perfect time to stock up on makeup, especially if you like to gift this around the Christmas holiday. Here's another sensible deal this week: either the all packs or the liquid. The typical price for this is $8.99, so we're getting it for $4.99 this week. And we also have a dollar digital coupon that's going to drop it down to $3.99. And here it is. You're going to have to load this guy. I always get the packs. It's a favorite in our household. And then there's a dollar register reward too when you buy one of these products. So they kind of are giving us an extra dollar back. So that's really fantastic. So one of these is $4.99. Subtracting that dollar digital, you'll pay $3. Get back a dollar register reward. The final price point here is $2.99, which isn't the worst price, considering if you go in on a non-sales week, it's $8.99 for one of these. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Fortunately, I already rolled that register reward, so I don't even have it to show you guys, but what a terrific deal. Now we're going to be looking for some Colgate dental care products priced at $4.50. $3 register reward when you buy two. So a brush and a paste, or if you want to get two of the toothbrushes. I would really stock up on those toothbrushes because they seem to be really free lately. And we have this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 2. So make sure you have this guy loaded. Okay, so looking at the math really quickly, two of the Colgate products is $9. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4 and get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for the two, or 50 cents per product, and that is called Not Too Shabby. This second dental care deal is a little bit more. So sometimes the mouth rinses for $5, or the floss picks, if you want to go for those instead of the toothpaste, maybe a better way to go. But we have this 5 off of 3 that's working on another promotion. So grabbing 3 of these Crest products, maybe the floss picks would be the way to go. 15, subtracting that 5 off 3 digital, you're going to pay 10 and get back one $5 register reward, making it 5 for the 3, or $1.66 per dental care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And let's remember, guys, with the register rewards, that is done in store only. That's the only way you can get those magical register rewards. Now this deal, $2.29 for this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. Some stores it's like $4.19 for one toilet bowl cleaner. I don't know. This is one product that's never in store and it's like hard to find. I found 2 of them for $4.58. I just threw in $4 in Walgreens cash and paid that 58 cents and ran out the door. This is one item I absolutely hate paying out of pocket for, and we barely get sales or like coupon deals for toilet bowl cleaner. It's a weird product, so I would definitely stock up. And also other deals of the week include this 50% off Yankee Candle Trio. So it's $12.49. I remember this product always being $29.99 and now it's like $12.49. So that's a fantastic price point. You got a balsam, a cookie, and then the spicy cinnamon one, which is my favorite, that red one. If you gifted this to anyone, use $10 in Walgreens cash and paid $2.49, I think this would make the greatest gift. I just love candles. And these perfume sets or perfume sprays are BOGO 50% off, Ariana Grande. It looks really nice. So at $15, that would be $22.50 for 2. So, not the worst deal if you want to gift this. Okay, before I take off, Dollar General penny. They had a huge penny list that was released last Tuesday. I've made multiple videos showing UPCs talking about this. I've been floating in and out of stores. This is like, I think 46 penny items just going to stores. I'm finding between 5 to 7 per store. They're still out there in the wild, and this list is still active, guys. They haven't reset it. So if you can get out and you don't have much going on, or if you just want to go to a couple Dollar Generals and look for some of this stuff, it's really nice stationery. Those Sharpies were a favorite find of mine. I made a YouTube short where I was showing like all the UPCs a couple days ago of my list of stuff that I was looking for. I will link it at the very end if you wish to watch it, along with a longer video where I was showing a whole bunch of yellow dot stuff. But like, this is like bread and butter stuff, especially for stockings, Christmas. I would definitely be on the lookout. If you have a little bit of time and you are good at hunting, you need a bit of patience to be a penny shopper. I'm certainly not the best one, but I'm really trying to get some stuff. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.